Autopsy reveals that Jodian Fearon died from heart failure.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The medical doctor hired to observe the post-mortem of Jodian Fearon has revealed that the first-time mom died a terrible death from heart failure while on the floor of the University Hospital of the West Indies. This, he said, was further compounded by last-minute pregnancy-related stress. Jepta Ford, the medical doctor hired by Fearon's family, said that he was present as a team of 3 doctors conducted the post-mortem at the University Hospital of the West Indies. Prior to the procedure, Ford said he was allowed to view Fearon's medical records. He said the records and the post-mortem revealed that Fearon had a pre-existing heart condition, a hole in her heart. According to Ford, the heart condition was noted in her medical records that were sent to all the hospitals to which she was transferred. She died because the heart defect was there, and she went into progressive heart failure, secondary to the stress of her pregnancy, he said. Ford said that Fearon's medical records indicated that both she and the unborn child were in distress by the time she was transported to Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine. They had to get the baby out of her, he added. He said that the loss of more than a liter of blood and the distress of the delivery triggered her heart condition. It sent her into shock because her heart was not getting enough blood. Her pulse rate was almost 2 times normal, Ford said. According to his account, she was transferred to the University Hospital of the West Indies in that condition. Further, the attorney for Fearon's family has challenged assertions by Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton that a preliminary assessment has indicated that the University Hospital of the West Indies, Victoria Jubilee and the Spanish Town hospitals all followed the protocols for the transfer of patients from a private to a public health facility. Isaac Buchanan, the attorney retained by Fearon's family, disputed this assertion. The attorney said that a perusal of Fearon's medical records showed that the minister was ill-advised and misinformed, and according to Ford, should seek further guidance in clearing, certainly, Spanish Town about the protocol. But Tufton, speaking during a press conference on Wednesday, bristled at the suggestion.
I just spoke to Isaac Buchanan on air, the attorney who is representing Jodian's family, minutes ago. He says he's inviting you to withdraw your assertion that Spanish Town and Jubilee followed protocol. Do you wish to do so? And if not, why not?
No, clearly, I mean, I don't take orders from, let me phrase it more diplomatically. I have confidence in the team that I've asked to generate the reports. They have looked at it in a very they have been asked to look at it in a manner that is analytical and not just accept what they read. They have submitted their recommendations, and I would prefer to be guided by them than by anyone else for now, except to say that I think that there are several recourse that are available to the grieving family members, of course, legal representation being one. And if I were in their position, I would certainly do the same thing. So I fully respect that. And the investigations, of course, that are taking place otherwise. So, the system allows for checks and balances. And I do believe that the processes that are at play as we speak will allow for that to happen. And I think it is the right thing. And I will accept any decision that flows from those processes.
Meanwhile, the University Hospital of the West Indies have expressed concerns about the release of information from Jodian's post-mortem. In a statement, the University Hospital said it strongly disputes misinformation being circulated in the public domain. The hospital says the sharing of the autopsy findings prior to the determination of the cause of death is premature, as the cause of death is usually pending further ancillary testing. It is urging persons to await a formal report from the qualified forensic pathologist. The University Hospital is also urging persons to observe sensitivity and the highest level of professionalism in this matter.
Teach them. Hey, yo, yellow. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.